Hello guys, today I'm gonna show how to create a space for your team in Confluence. So first, log into your Confluence account, hit the plus button on top bar, which is plus create, click on that, click on more, you will find space here, click on space. So I'll name the space, for example, my team space. And choose the purpose of the space if you want to collaborate, or knowledge-based or custom. We're going to stick with Collaborate default and hit Next. Now, this is where your space have features. For example, live talks. You have live brainstorming, automated busy work. So you want to integrate the blogs, the live talks, all these features so you space, smart link, slides, databases to share it with your team. And it creates space. This enables Confluence to create your space here, met your space, and this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.